been part of the DX7 test team for about the last 3 months, and have had the opportunity to fly it quite a bit. One of the concerns I had in developing DX7 was the latency issue, or response rate. A higher latency means a low response rate, which is a real problem when flying aerobatics, especially 3D aerobatics or anything where there's very rapid stick inputs, because essentially what happens is the radio lags the stick movements, so you can't keep up with the airplane. You know, for example, I'd find with some other radios that had a low response rate, where I tried to do a rapid rolling loop, and the inputs would actually end up making the airplane do a rolling circle because they'd be behind the airplane. The DX7 engineers told me they had a way around the latency issue and could actually come up with a response rate every bit as fast as any radio on the market. I was very anxious to try to fly it and see if that was really the case, and it was really amazing. We put it in my 33% Hangar 9 Edge, which was powered with the DA100, quite a capable 3D airplane and one with a very fast roll rate. And I was amazed that they were not only right and they came up with a response rate as fast as anything, it's actually faster than anything I've flown. I could tell when doing very fast rolling loops and type of maneuver that requires a really quick response rate from the radio, the airplane would actually act as if my inputs were a little bit early. And when I flew this, I first flew it back-to-back with a standard system that I've been flying in competition for years, so I really got a feel for the airplane and the timing needed to do those maneuvers. And then when we put DX7 in the airplane, my inputs were actually early, which was telling me that I was naturally compensating for a little bit of latency in the system I'd been flying, and DX7 was keeping right up with my thumbs with no lag, so it was even faster, which is just absolutely amazing. Of course, the RF link was bulletproof too, which was just a wonder in itself. But the response rate for me was a very big deal, because that's kind of a make or break thing for flying at a really high level of aerobatics. You know, it may sound like a pitch, but it's really not. With DX7, I really believe the future is here. It is just truly amazing technology. I've been fortunate enough to be involved with testing and introduction of various products throughout my career, and some that I thought were just amazing, but this is what we've always wanted. It's a radio system where frequencies aren't a problem. We can fly any airplane up to 7 channels, no worries, and the performance level is higher than anything we've ever flown. I mean, it is truly amazing, and I think this is the biggest breakthrough we've seen in a long time in radio control, and you're gonna love it.
I'm excited! Woo!